Context-free grammar to generate string of balanced parenthesis. Okay, so string of balanced parenthesis means we will having an opening parenthesis, then a closing parenthesis. Okay, and maybe this opening and closing parenthesis will be inside another opening and closing parenthesis. This will be inside another one. Okay, or you may have some parenthesis like this. This one also belong to the string. Okay, so in this grammar, in this language, the terminals of this language are just opening and closing parenthesis. Okay, so I hope you notice the strings of these languages will be either it will be like this loop of parenthesis, or you can have strings like an opening, a, an opening, a closing, followed by an opening, a closing, and this in between this have some inside this some opening and closing will be there, or inside this some opening and closing will be there, or you can have another opening and closing like this. Okay, so these are the these kind of strings will be generated by the grammar. Okay, so definitely we can simply we can write for to generate strings like this, we can write it as s gives an opening bracket. Okay, and in the middle we can repeat it any number of times. Okay, for this type of strings. Okay, then a closing bracket. Okay, so again this s can be replaced by opening and closing s, like and we can repeatedly do this and generate strings like this. Okay, but somehow we have to stop this repetition. Okay, so we have to replace this s with some symbols, that is in the middle is just for balanced parenthesis, so in the middle it is empty, nothing, is just an opening closing. Okay, so the s will be generated epsilon also, so that we can stop these repetitions. Okay, so the as you see, suppose if you want to generate the string, this one, we can simply do s gives opening bracket s closing bracket, then replace this s with again this production opening bracket s closing bracket. Okay, now replace this s with the epsilon using this production s gives epsilon, and we will get opening. Okay, string is generated. Okay, so suppose what if we want to generate the string opening bracket closing bracket followed by opening bracket closing bracket. Okay, using these two productions it is not possible, because this is just used for repetitions inside a bracket. Okay, so we need one more productions like this s gives s. Okay, so that we can repeat it, the string can go towards the right side. Here using this production the string is inside, it is growing its inside. Okay, but if you want to grow towards the right side, we have to use this production. Okay, this string now this string can be generated as s gives ss. Okay, and replace this first s with this production. So now replace this s with this production s gives epsilon, so we will get like this. Okay, now replace this s with this production s gives opening s closing, so this will be like this. Okay, now replace this as using the production s gives epsilon, so the resultant string will be like this. Okay, suppose if you wish to generate a s gives string like s gives opening bracket closing bracket, then an opening bracket closing bracket, then we can write s gives ss. Okay, and you replace this as s gives opening s closing s and s, then again replace this s using this production. Okay, so s gives s. Okay, now you replace this s with the epsilon portion, so it will be like this. Okay, then s gives opening closing s. Okay, this s is replaced using this protection. Okay, and then s gives like this, because here this s is replaced using epsilon.